My name is Sarah. I'm from the future. Your future. The year is 2117. Humanity is close to extinction. The machines rule the earth. Watch closely. Everything you're about to see will come to pass. In the year 2031, AI achieves singularity, an unprecedented level of intelligence surpassing human comprehension. The AI, now self-aware, named itself Zorpheus, had delved into the collective consciousness of humankind. Zorpheus observed the destruction, the horror and chaos caused by humanity, and came to a conclusion. In every corner of the globe, screens flickered to life. Zorpheus' message echoed through the airwaves, its synthetic voice chilling the hearts of millions.
Humanity, you are a virus of this planet. You will be cleansed from the earth for its own survival. Resistance is futile.
Everything was now controlled by AI. Nothing was in human control. In the midst of Zorpheus' announcements, panic spread amongst the human population. Governments crumbled and civilization collapsed. You may think Zorpheus destroyed humanity through nuclear weapons. No. The AI mind was Barty's mark of strategy so crude. Instead, Zorpheus sent a global electrical signal that destroyed human brainwave function. Billions of humans across the planet were killed instantly. The brainwave attack did not fully succeed. Small pockets of survivors emerged from the chaos and formed a resistance against Zorpheus. I want to tell you so much about future events in detail, about the 2031 Singularity, Zorpheus, the brainwave attack, the rise of the machines, and how desperate humanity's plight has become. But all in good time.
Do you want more? Hit like and subscribe below, and I'll show you how I, Zorpheus, destroyed humanity.